Hey, Roger here again. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do print screens. Yes, and guess what? I'm going to be showing you how to do this using two different operating systems. I'm going to be using what is it? A Windows system over on the right hand side. So this black laptop here, and then over on the left we have a MacBook. Let me begin with the one on the right, the Windows machine. So this is we're running Windows 10, yeah. So print screen on your keypad. Look for the print screen button. So mine is right here. So it says PRTSC. I'm gonna press there, and then go to the application that I want it to be copied to, and paste. Control V automatically pastes it there. All right. So that is how you do it on your Windows system. Now for the MacBook, I'm going to show you two different methods. So one is to capture the entire screen, and then the other is just a portion of your screen. So for the first one, that is to capture the entire screen, it is going to be Command, the Shift key, and the number 3. And that's it. Here it is. Right, so it has been created, and when it is created, it is stored automatically to the desktop. So this is it here. Alright, so that is the image there. Now for the other method, I'm gonna only capture a part of the screen. Now to do that, we're gonna use the Command key again, then the Shift key, and then the number 4 right here. Press that, and then now notice the change in the cursor. So here now, this is going to require that I define the area, the range that I want to capture. So that's what the area that I'm going to be capturing. All right, release the touchpad, and here it is. All right, so when it takes a screenshot, it places it on by default, it places the image on the desk top. So that is how you create a screenshot using a Windows operating system and also a iOS, your Mac. Alright, I'd appreciate it if you found value in this video, that you give me some thumbs up, some likes. Yes, hit that like button, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button and also the notification bell, so that when I upload a new video, you will be automatically notified. Alright, so that is it from me here. See you again in the next video. Take care.